Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I have installed Arch Linux on my system. Let me just show it to you. Arch is a little bit different than Ubuntu and other Debian based operating system. In Debian or Ubuntu, we use package manager like apt, dpkg for installing packages, but here we use Pacman. Now let's see how you can update your system. For updating your system by using Pacman, you have to type sudo pacman then -syu. Sudo pacman -syu. This will update your system. Then you have to put sudo password and this will start updating your system. You have to enter Y to confirm your update. Okay, now the system is updated. Let me increase the size of the terminal and clear it. In this way you can see full details. Now let's see how you can install packages in Arch Linux. For that you have to search for the package by typing pacman -q for query and then package name. Let's search for neofetch, neofetch, and hit enter. It says the package neofetch is not found. That means neofetch is not installed on my system. For installing neofetch, you have to type sudo pacman -s then the package name, which is neofetch, and hit enter. You have to press Y for yes, and now neofetch has been installed. So if I type neofetch, then neofetch should be working. That's how you can install package on your Arch Linux. Just type sudo pacman -s and then package name. Okay, in this way you also remove your package by sudo pacman -r then the package name you want to remove. Now let's see how to install Debian packages. For that you need help of AUR. Search Google for AUR packages. Then go to the first link. Let's install Opera browser from here. In the search bar you have to type Opera or any other package name you want to use and check for the description. Here you can see a fast and secure web browser. Let's click on Opera, then copy the git clone URL. I must have mentioned that you must have installed Git on your system before using AUR packages. For installing Git, you have to type sudo pacman -s then Git. As I have already Git on my system, I am skipping this step. So let me move to my download folder, cd downloads. Then if I ls on this, you can see there are 4 folders on it. So let's git clone it here. For cloning you have to type git clone and then you have to paste the URL and hit enter. Sorry, one bracket is there, you have to. Now it's cloning into Opera. Now if I do ls again, I will see there is a folder named Opera. So let's move to Opera. For that cd Opera. If you ls here, you can see the files which we are using for installing Opera. So just type sudo make pkg make pkg-si for start installing the Debian package into your system. You have to put sudo password and hit enter. Running make package as root is not allowed. Oh sorry, you don't have to put sudo, so just put make package-si for start installing Opera onto your system. In this prompt, answer with a Y. This will start installing Opera on your system. It will take some time to install. After installation has been completed, you can see Opera on your application menu. I am fast forwarding this video for saving your time. Now you have to press Y for start installing. Opera has been installed. So now if I go to applications, I will see Opera here. It took about 5 minutes to install Opera. So these are the processes how you can install packages in your Arch Linux. If you like this kind of video, just hit the subscribe button and keep supporting.